Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, this app has been blocked for your protection, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open registry editor. For that, you have to just click on the start menu or search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this registry editor. In this, you can see here HK local machine, double click and expand this software, double click. After that, you need to find Microsoft, double click and expand. After that, you need to find Windows, scroll down. You can see here Windows, double click and expand. After that, you need to find current version. You can see current version, double click and expand. After that, you need to find policies, scroll down. You can see policies, double click and expand. After that, you will find system. Click on the system. Just you have to single click for this system. Right click here. Click on new, click on deviate 32-bit value. You have to rename as enable LUA capital E. You can see already in my registry, already this file is there, so it's not making any double entry. So after creating this file, just double click on that and make sure this should be 0. If it is 1, just you have to delete that one and make it as 0. Then click on OK. And close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix this app has been blocked for your protection error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.